How to create an invoice on Wix. I am inside the main page of Wix here, and if we want to create an invoice, we want to scroll down until we see this option for billing and payments. Once we hover over it, you will be able to see the option for invoices at the third slot. I'm going to click on invoices, and this is what it's going to look like. So send invoices and get paid, create invoices for your services or products, request payments, and manage and track all of your invoices in one place. So if we click on get started here, then it will ask us for our business name and business email address. If these don't automatically fill out for you, you can type them out, and you can also click on add image here to upload an image as your business logo. So if we click on add and continue, then I'm going to take you through the process. So right here, it is going to show us a new invoice draft. We can close this out. So NetStore, it shows you the location. So the customer, we can choose a contact here. So you will choose from your contact list, and their email address will automatically be filled out. And you can also edit the customer info here by clicking on it, and you can type out different information. So invoice title. So for example, clothing purchase or website redesign. We're going to do clothing purchase. And here we can add an item that they have, for example, purchased. Won't affect your inventory. So quantity, how much they've ordered, and the price here. So you can also add tags if you would like, and it's going to look like this. So you can add a discount for them, for example 10%, and then it's going to automatically calculate the price here and the amount paid. So here's where you type out the information for their purchase. So for example, thank you for your interest, thank you for purchasing our products. And you can also attach or type out your terms and conditions. So for example, like we have right here, payment is due within 21 days of issue. And right here, if you are done with your invoice, you can save and close, or you can send this invoice directly to the person that you've selected here for your customer, and you can change the issue date right here and the due date in the second tab. So basically, if everything is good, you can save and close, you can collect payment, or you can send the invoice directly to them and wait for the purchase or for the payment. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.